Hi guys, welcome back to Sister J's Cuisine and Lifestyle. My son took me out for dinner, but there were copyright music playing in the background, so I have to mute the music and do some voiceover.
Sister Jane at the kitchen. What a vibes. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Yeah, hear me. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Anything at all where she cook finger licking. Nice like rice and peas and chicken. Nothing at all no left back in the dishes. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Sometimes by the water say fishing. Other times in our backyard garden. Eat where you grow, healthy way for living. Do the vlog, cook the food, use the fruits, make the juice, and she still have bake sweet pastries for the toad. Sister Jane, your cuisine are the truth. Yeah, hear me. Want know what they on the menu, so me put. Don't know everything your cookie tastes good. So me bite my finger them just as me should. Every time. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Anything where she cook finger licking. Nice like rice and peas and chicken. Nothing at all no left back in the dishes. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Sometimes by the water she fishing. Other times in her backyard garden. Eat where you grow, healthy way for living. Me want everybody subscribe on the YouTube channel, but just right. She give me breakfast, so I just rise. And give me lunch when it touch lunchtime. Dinner when a night time. Everything right. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Everything at all where she cook finger licking. Nice like rice and peas and chicken.
Sister J, Caribbean cuisine, best foods, best foods. Sister J, Caribbean cuisine. We're from that place where cook the best, best place for his recipe of the you, to you. Sister J, that place will be full of mix. Our spices them mix. And we're the definition of cook food. The best. Sister J food are the best. It give a fever. Make little pitney get up from round the fever. Daddy early from work cause they want him dinner. Sister J food are the best. Just believe. Everybody knows Sister J have the best food. That place will be cook the best. You know the rest. Next place we post up on the you do. Check for the recipe.